Hi, good morning. Welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin patch arrangement here. It's really cute. It's a Halloween piece, but it's very subtle. You can hardly see the little bat and the little spider. It's just a little bit of an accent on it. So we're going to make that today, and I'll show you what supplies we're going to be using in just a minute. So I made a trip to Joann's this time to get my materials mostly. And I got this bush. It's called a heather bush if you're ordering online. It's a heather bush. And we're going to use that. We're going to use these maple leaf picks that I had already. Easy to find those. A little sunflower. And then at Joann's I got these fall floral sunflower picks. They're going to use 2 of those. And then we're going to use a bat pick that has 6 bats on it. We're just going to use one of the bats. That's from Joann's as well. I have a spider here that I had in my collection of Halloween decorations, and that's from Dollar Tree. And then we're going to use this entire bag of pumpkins, fall pumpkins. They're kind of fuzzy. They're called fall pumpkins, and they're from Joann's. We're going to use 4 different colors of felt. We're going to use the yellow, the black, the green, and the brown. And you don't need very much. We're going to be cutting little faces and stem covers out of that, so you don't need a whole lot. We're going to use a piece like this from Dollar Tree, a wooden shape like this, and we're going to paint it with a coral paint from Tester's Craft Paint. So it's made by Rust-Oleum. So I've already got that painted, and I've glued my 2 straw bales, or 5-inch straw bales that come in a all wrapped in plastic from Joann's. I think it's $2.99 for this, and with your coupons it comes out to very little. So I've already glued this on because I wanted to glue it on with some Gorilla Glue, and it takes a little bit for it to set up. So I glued that on about an hour and a half ago probably, and it's set up pretty good. So we'll be all set to go on that. I had cut some of the faces that we're going to put on some of the pumpkins. Not all the pumpkins have the jack-o'-lantern faces, just some of them. And that's about it. Our glue gun and our glue stick, our nice pair of scissors, and that's all it'll take to make this. And I'll be right back to get started. So I thought we'd put the pumpkins on first. This is the bag of pumpkins. It comes 6 in a bag. Two of each. Like that. And then I'm just going to put a brown one and a white one on the front. And then we're going to put, this one goes right here. And another one of those go over here. And then a brown one here, and a white one here. And I'm going to go ahead and glue those in place, starting with this one, and I'll be right back with you. So I've got them all glued in place, and the next thing I want to do is take the brown felt that you're using and glue it right there, and we'll wrap it around. This is fuzzy felt that I got a long time ago at Joann's, and I don't know if you'll be able to still find it. Brown, just a regular brown felt will be fine. But you put this around like this. You want to cover up the plastic stems, make them material. Put the end on there. like that. And I'm going to do this to all 6 of the pumpkins. And I'll be right back with you. Next you want to take and put your little leaves on there. So I just took my green felt and I cut out 12 leaves. Just want to cut them out. Do 2 at a time or 12 at a time, however you want to do it. And then we're going to glue them on like that, one on each side. So I'll get mine done and I'll be right back with you. So the next thing I want to do is do the little faces. That some of them, half of them are jack-o'-lanterns. And I just took a piece of felt and cut out my face. Just round like that. Just cut it out. You can take it like that and then that shape of a piece. Round it out a little bit at the top. Like that. You got that piece. And then you'll just want to cut out the teeth. Like that. Any way you want to do it, you know, it's your jack-o'-lantern. So then I have the little mouth part, and then to make the eyes and nose, I just make the eyes like that. So then I've got the 2 eyes here, and then what's left in the middle of the 2 eyes, I just clip that part off for the nose. So then you have your face. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those on. The 2 top ones here on the straw bale will get black faces, and then the chocolate brown one, you really couldn't see the face too well when I put the black on it, so I made it glowing with the yellow face on that. So I'll do those 3 faces, glue them on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to put the sunflower picks in next. And I have this one going across the back here. So we're going to glue it like right under the edge of the pumpkins in the back. And then I've got this one going in here like that. I'm going to glue that in place and finish gluing this one in place, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I'm just gluing on some berries. Put those here and there. Like that. And I see this one berry has a little white spot, and I think I have a yellow marker, and I'm going to fix that. Now I'll be right back, and we're going to go ahead and start putting the stalks on. So I'm putting the stalks in the back here, and I took them apart. They come right apart like this to 4 pieces. And I took the tallest piece and put that right in the back. You want to go ahead and just take your scissors and poke a hole so they go in easily, like that. So I put some glue on the bottom. And put that in there. I don't want to get it too short. And I'm going to do that with the other 3 pieces. I'm going to let those set up. I'm going to put the other 2 in and I'll be right back. So the next thing I'm doing is putting some maple leaves in between the stalks and the pumpkins, just to fill it out a little bit. So I'm just going to poke those in like that. And I'll go on the back and put a little glue on the top of them after I get them in there. So I just want to see if I can see that a little bit. That's Molly, my Pomeranian. She's crying because she wants me to come get her. Let's see. Like that. And then I'm going to take a minute to go in the back and glue them. Go in the back and glue them right where they're coming out of the straw bale. And then I want to take a couple extra maple leaves. There's 2 right here. And just put them on the back there. There's lots of glue back there right now, so just... Oh. We want to cover the bottoms of the stems. Let me put some glue on this. Put this in the middle there. And I'll let that set up. Now I've just got the bat and the spider and the sunflower left to put in. I want to find some stalks that are really have a lot of wire in them. And I'm going to glue that right on there. Let me turn that towards me a little bit. And we'll give that a couple minutes. So we have the sunflower glued in place, and we want to put the bat over here. Now I'm going to hold on to that for a couple minutes, and the next thing I'm going to do is put the spider right in here. You won't be able to see the gold part of the spider because he's just going to be tucked in there. And you kind of have to look good at the arrangement to even realize that he's there. So I'll be right back with you. So we're all finished now. We've got our 2 little centerpieces. And I hope you liked this video this morning. If you like it, make sure to like. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.